Good morning, friends. Today we will start workbook of science class 6 chapter 2 components of food. So let us start the exercise. First, answer the following questions in brief. Question number 1. Name two non-nutrient components of our food. Answer. Roughage and water are non-nutrient components of our food. Question number 2. A sample of food is dipped into a solution of copper sulfate and caustic soda. It turns violet. Which component of food does this test indicate? Answer. This shows the presence of protein in that sample of food. Question number 3. Name the two forms of carbohydrates found in our food. Answer. Starch and sugar are the two forms of carbohydrates found in our food. Question number 4. A doctor observes that his patient is weak due to the deficiency of a mineral. Name the mineral and also a good source of this mineral. Answer. Patient is weak due to the deficiency of iron. The sources of iron are apple, spinach, pomegranate, carrot, etc. Question number 5. How will you test for the presence of starch in a given sample of food? Answer. In a given sample of food, when we add 2-3 drops of dilute iodine solution, if it turns blue black color, it shows the presence of starch in the given food sample. Question number 3. Fats are a richer source of energy than carbohydrates. Why then is excessive intake of fats discouraged? Answer. Excessive intake of fats is discouraged because it can be very harmful as it can cause obesity. Question number 7. Name two sources each of vitamin A and D. Answer. Vitamin A, papaya, mango, carrot, milk. Vitamin D, the sources are wheat, rice, liver. Next, question number 8. Roughage does not have much nutrient value. Why is it then included in our food? Give any 2 points. Answer. First, it adds bulk to the food and gives a sense of fillingness after digestion. Second, it also prevents constipation and help to get rid of undigested food. Question number 9. Name any two practices that lead to loss of nutrients from our food. Answer. If the vegetables and fruits are washed after cutting or peeling. B. Repeated washing of rice and pulses. Question number 10. Give one advantage and one disadvantage of cooking food. Advantage. Answer. Advantage. Cooking improves the taste of food and make it easier to digest. Disadvantage. Many proteins and minerals are lost if excess water is used during cooking. Second, give one word for each of the following. A. Component of food that turns blue black when iodine is added to it. Answer. Starch. B. Disease caused due to deficiency of vitamin C in our food. Answer. Scurvy. C. Components of food that adds bulk to our diet. Roughage. D. Condition caused due to excessive intake of fat-rich diet, obesity. E. Nutrient that helps in growth and repair of our body. Answer: protein. Third, fill in the blanks. Our body can prepare vitamin D in the presence of sunlight. B. Calcium helps in making bones strong and teeth healthy. C. The deficiency of iron leads to anemia. D. Weak muscles and very little energy to work are symptoms of beriberi. E. Excessive intake of fats leads to obesity. Fourth, state whether true or false. A. Balanced diet consists of nutrients only. False. Second, B. Cooked food is a source of water for our body. Correct. C. Vitamin B complex is a group of vitamins. True. D. We cannot get vitamin C through cooked food. True. E. Our body can prepare all the vitamins in the presence of sunlight. False. Fifth, match the following. A. Bleeding gums. Answer is scurvy. B. Mental disability. Goiter. C. Whole grains and salad. Roughage. D. Milk, eggs, cheese. E. Sunlight. Vitamin D. Next, sixth, select the correct alternative. First, which of the following is a good source of dietary fiber? Fruits, potatoes, whole grains. All of these is the correct answer. Second, a doctor is visited by a child who has swollen glands in the neck and has mental disability. The child may be having a deficiency of B. Iodine. Third, which of the following is not a major source of phosphorus? Answer is C. Egg. Which of the following leads to weakness? Deficiency of iron, deficiency of vitamin B. Answer is C. Both of these. Fourth, study the figure given below and answer the questions following it. The food example contains B. Protein. Seventh, complete the following word puzzle with the help of the clues given below. Across. First, condition caused by insufficient intake of nutrients. Answer first, deficiency. Third, disease caused by deficiency of vitamin B. Third, beriberi. Fourth, spinach is a rich source of this mineral. Fourth, iron. First, another name for roughage in our food is first one is dietary fiber. Second, mineral to keep our bones strong. Calcium. Fifth, condition caused by excessive intake of fats in our diet. Fifth one is obesity. If my video helps you to do the exercise, please like it and subscribe it. Thank you.